Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send view once photo on Snapchat. If you want to send a view once snap on Snapchat, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So open your Snapchat app, click on the camera icon like you would if you want to send a snap. Now take a photo. At the bottom you're going to see the infinity icon, click on it. By default it's set to no limit. It says snap and stories set to no limit can be saved by friends. So if you leave it here, the person can save it in chat. So if you want to send it as a view once snap, you just set the limit, maybe set it to 1 second, 2 seconds or 3 seconds. So I'm going to use 2 here. When you go back and send it to Smith, it's going to be viewed only once and it will disappear by itself. The recipient can't save it in the snap. So that's how you send a view once snap on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.